In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add gold in Tradingview. Start by opening the chart view. This is the main workspace where you'll spend most of your time if you are on the Tradingview homepage or any other section. Click through to the chart. It will load whatever symbol you last viewed, and that's perfectly fine. We're about to change it. Look to the top left corner of the chart for the current symbol box. It's the little field that shows the ticker you are currently on. Click it to open the symbol search window. This search window is where you can jump to virtually any market or instrument supported on Tradingview. In the search bar, type XAUUSD. XAU is the internationally recognized code for gold, and USD is the US dollar. So XAUUSD represents the spot price of gold quoted in dollars. Typing this exact pair helps you avoid pulling up related instruments you may not want, like gold futures or synthetic products. You'll see a list of matches filtered by market categories. The spot pair you are after will appear under the Forex or CFDs section depending on the provider. Next, select a data provider to load the chart. You'll see options like OANDA, FXCM, and Black Bull markets. Each provider delivers a slightly different data feed, and that can mean small differences in pricing or session times. If you are not connected to a broker, don't worry, you can still view these charts. Choose the provider you prefer or the one you are most familiar with. If you are not sure, pick a reputable provider and know that you can always switch later by clicking the symbol box again and selecting another feed. Once you choose the provider, the chart will update to XAUUSD, and you'll see the gold price plotted in real time according to that feed. Confirm you are looking at the right instrument by glancing back at the top left. It should now display XAUUSD along with the provider's name. From here, you are ready to analyze gold just like any other asset. Apply your indicators, draw tools, or compare it with currencies and indexes as needed. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.